In this lesson, we're going to explore video effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. Video effects allow you to enhance, correct, stylize, and completely transform your footage. Whether you're creating cinematic videos, YouTube content, documentaries, or advertisements, effects play a critical role in visual storytelling. Now go to the Effects panel. Inside video effects, you'll find many categories such as color correction, stylize, distort, and more. Let's start with a simple color effect. Choose tint. Simply drag the tint effect onto the clip. Now go to the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see the tint settings. Let's change the map white color to blue. And instantly the video takes on a blue tone. Now adjust the amount to tint slider to fine-tune the intensity of the effect. Now let's see the result in the program monitor. Remember, we can apply multiple effects to the same clip. Let's add another effect. Choose a vintage style effect. Drag it onto the clip. Now return to the Effect Controls panel. Here you can adjust parameters. Adjust these settings to achieve your desired look. Vintage amount, width, height, scale, angle, center, roundness, feather, and other stylistic controls. And now our video has a clear vintage appearance. Let me show you the before and after applying the effects. First, let's turn off the effects. Now preview the clip in the timeline. And now let's turn the effects back on. This helps visualize how effects transform footage. We can also change the order of effects applied to a clip. Simply drag an effect up or down in the Effect Controls panel. The effect order is very important because Premiere processes effects from top to bottom. Changing the order can completely alter the final result. As you rearrange the effects, you'll immediately see the difference in the program monitor preview. This gives you creative control over how multiple effects interact with each other. Now let's move to another clip, and let's apply one more effect. Choose Lumetri Color. Drag it onto the second clip. Go to the Effect Controls panel. Inside Lumetri Color, you can adjust temperature, tint, saturation, under light controls, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows. These controls help you balance and enhance your image. Let me show you before and after clip. Premiere Pro also offers many creative effects. For example, 3D effects. 3D effects allow you to simulate depth and perspective inside your video. Instead of a flat image, you can create a sense of dimensional movement. For example, using effects like Basic 3D, you can rotate the clip along different axes, adjust tilt and swivel, create perspective distortion, simulate camera-like movement. This is commonly used for dynamic motion graphics, stylized transitions, screen animations, cinematic visual effects. 3D effects help make your visuals feel more engaging and visually dynamic. Let's apply one more effect. This effect simulates realistic light beams, creating the illusion of light passing through space. It's often used to add a dramatic cinematic atmosphere to your footage. With this effect, you can create sunlight streaming through windows, God rays or glow effects, stylized lighting highlights, dreamy or cinematic visuals. By fine-tuning these controls, you can achieve subtle lighting enhancement or bold cinematic effects. This effect is widely used in creative edits, intros, dramatic scenes, and visual stylization. Find edges. Vertical effects. Black and white. And many more. Feel free to experiment. Simply drag any effect onto a clip and adjust the settings inside the Effect Controls panel. Video effects are powerful tools. Use them intentionally, adjust carefully, and always focus on enhancing the visual storytelling.